Thanks for staying with us. To fulfill their social responsibility to the people, a restaurant in Kuala Lumpur spends thousands of ringgit every week to provide food for the needy. Their goal is to provide food for the homeless in and around Kuala Lumpur. Every Sunday night, chefs from Kechara Soup Kitchen restaurant work hard to provide healthy but delicious food. 30 volunteers, divided into 6 teams, distribute the food to the homeless around Kuala Lumpur starting from 9:30 p.m. President of Kechara Soup Kitchen, Ruby Kong, had been organizing the program since 2006.
Every week, every Saturday night, we start about 9:30 to start packing up all the food. And then all our volunteers will leave our center about 10:30, 11 o'clock. And we will go to different parts of Klang Valley. Like here in Chowkit, we also go to Masjid Jamik, Masjid Negara, Pudu Raya, Klang.